BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as I have mentioned previously, it seems that Microsoft is making an operating system out of the Edge web browser for desktop, where in the future we could be getting a so-called Edge OS. Now, in light of and in regards to the Edge OS, according to recent reports, if you haven't heard already, Microsoft has been working on a redesign of the Edge web browser for desktop, and it's called and codenamed Project Phoenix. That will help to differentiate, according to reports, the Edge browser from other browser competition. So, as an example, as I have posted on, Google is working on a so-called super secret user interface refresh for this year, 2023, for Chrome. And this looks like this Project Phoenix could be Microsoft trying to find their place in the browser market this year when it comes to user interface refreshes. Now, this information was first shared by Walking Cat over on Twitter, and Walking Cat is a Windows enthusiast who has uploaded this screenshot to Twitter. And if you have been viewing this channel, you will see a lot of these features I've already covered when it comes to features that Microsoft is testing in Edge Canary, the preview version of the browser. But apparently this is a project that Microsoft has been working on since last summer, so that would be last winter in my region, and is being developed piece by piece and bit by bit. So it has a couple of these experimental features have already rolled out and have been included in preview editions and development editions of the Edge web browser already, as I have been posting on. And just to take a quick look at some of those experimental features, which will just give you a little bit more insight as to what Microsoft could be rolling out with project or codenamed Project Phoenix. Now, this is Edge Canary, the preview version of the browser. And if we head over to the experimental flags page and I type in Windows 11, the first two flags out of three we're going to look at. The first one is show Windows 11 visual effects in the title bar and toolbar, which brings a lot of the Windows 11 user interface treatment to the Edge browser. So if I quickly head over to the settings menu, appearance, on the appearance page, that flag enables this setting. Show Windows 11 visual effects in the title bar and toolbar, adds marquee effect to the title bar and toolbar backgrounds when using the default theme. Now, I have posted on all of these flags, so if you want more info, just do a search on the channel. So that's the first experimental feature regarding Project Phoenix that could be coming to the Edge web browser in the future. Now, another one is enable Windows 11 acrylic effects in menus. Enable support for the acrylic effect in the menus. That speaks for itself. And then if we just head back to the search on the experimental flags page and I type in rounded. Okay, let me get my spelling right here first. Rounded. There we go. Make rounded tabs feature available. And here you can see another feature is the rounded tabs, which seem to be hovering and are just placed above the actual user interface of the browser and have got rounded corners. So that's the rounded tabs, and that's another feature that could be rolling out to Project Phoenix or the project codename Phoenix for future versions of Edge. And then one I posted on just the other day is the new split screen or split window, which is a big one when it comes to Project Phoenix for Edge. And this allows you to basically open up two tabs in the same window, and as I did mention, you can also resize those different windows, and this is actually an anticipated feature for Project Phoenix, and I'll leave a link to that video I did post in the description, as it will just give you a little bit more info. So that's a couple of the new features we can expect to roll out. And then just to make mention of one or two others, according to reports, Microsoft is also working on a new tab activity center feature. Basically, this is going to be very similar to your digital well-being and your screen time on iPhone and Android devices, where you'll be able to monitor and break down basically your browser usage over time. So that's a digital well-being feature that could be rolling out with Project Phoenix. And just another two quick mentions, other ideas and features that Microsoft could be working on are adding a system-wide password management functionality to the browser, where Edge will actually become the system's password manager. And then also another one worth mentioning is that they maybe are adding Edge's setup to the Windows out-of-box OOB experience when you first log into a new Windows operating system or a new device. So those are a couple of the changes that Microsoft could be making available in the codename Project Phoenix, and that's according to recent reports. And as mentioned, if you want more info, just do a search for relevant videos on the channel. And as I've said, it seems that Microsoft is going to be making an operating system out of the Edge web browser in the future. And obviously, if any more information becomes available and more features and new features come to light, I will post and let you know accordingly. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.